Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Antel and I am a teacher at Upton Infant School in Year 2 in the Squirrels class, and we're going to be carrying on our PE week. Well done, we've had 3 days so far and you've done amazingly well, so we've got another activity to be getting on with today. So let's have a quick look at the screen to see what today's job is going to be. And it says, keep ups, train it Thursday. So we're going to be doing keep ups today, but before we do that, let's have a look at what we need to get ready. So we're going to need paper and pencil, your active bodies, a stopwatch, and what we need for the activity today is a ball of some sort. Now we've either got my favorite Peppa Pig ball here, or a smaller one, whatever you've got, or even if you need to use a scrunched up piece of paper, you can use that as a ball. And you're going to need a racket, or if you haven't got a racket, you could use a hard book with a hard back on there, or your hand, okay? So you can use either of those things. And for the warm-up, as always, you're going to need a dice or 6 pieces of paper with the numbers 1 to 6 and 2 counters on. So that's what we're going to do first, is the warm-up. So this is what you've been doing so far this week. So those are the rules if you need to have a look. And then I will put you onto the full screen in a moment so that you can pause it or play on the printout version, whichever you've been doing this week. You've got 10 minutes and I will see you in a moment. Good luck. Okay, well done everybody. Hopefully you're nice and warm. So we've got to, first of all, write in today's activity next to Thursday. So if you find your piece of paper and you're going to write the word keep ups, okay? So write the word keep ups next to Thursday. I'll give you a moment to pause the screen and you can write in today's activity. Off you go. Well done, we're ready to go. Let's have a look at the rules. So Train It Thursday has keep ups. You'll need to keep an object in the air as long as possible. So you can either use a racket, your hand, or a hard book. And you will also need a ball, something like a balloon, or a rolled up or scrunched up piece of paper. And you're going to bounce the object as many times as you can without it dropping on the floor. And what's your best score in 10 minutes of trying? And if you want to make it harder for yourself, you could try and use your weaker hand. Okay, let's have a look. So Mr. Antel is going to share my screen. And I'm going to take my items with me and try and show you what we're going to be doing. So first of all, I'll have a go with the Peppa Pig ball. So one hand, I'm going to try and keep it nice and straight. Remember to count how many times you do it. And you'll go, that's one way. Or the hard book with the smaller ball. That's another way. Now if I want to make it harder, I'll try and use my left hand. And that feels a bit harder. So that's another way to make it harder. And the last bit is the piece of paper, which you can either use the book, quite hard with the paper, as you will see, or you can use your hand. So doing it with the paper is quite hard because it's got all sorts of funny shapes on there. Okay, so that's today's job. Remember to count your best score. I'm going to share the screen again. When you've found your best score, you will write it. Next to keep ups, you'll put in your best score. So good luck, everybody. Keep your eye on the ball. You're brilliant athletes, and I wish you the best of luck with today's challenge. Good luck.